Blue Star High Secondary School video classes for 9th standard mathematics. Happy morning students. Today we are going to see exercise 5.6, that is 1 mark. Previous video we see exercise 5.5. So exercise 5.6, first question. If the y coordinate of a point is 0, then the point always lies dash. Option A in the first quadrant, option B in the second quadrant, option C on x-axis, option D on y-axis. If the y coordinate of a point is 0, we know that the point always lies on x-axis. So the correct option is option C. Question number 2. The point minus 5 comma 2 and 2 comma minus 5 lies in the dash. Option A same quadrant, option B quadrant 2 and 3 respectively, option C second and fourth quadrant respectively, option D fourth and second quadrant respectively. So we see here the points are minus 5 comma 2 and 2 comma minus 5. So the x-axis is negative and y-axis is positive. So it lies on the second quadrant. Similarly here the x-axis is positive and y-axis is negative. So it lies on the fourth quadrant. So the correct option is option C, second and fourth quadrant respectively. Question number 3. On plotting the points O of 0, 0, A of 3, minus 4, B of 3, 4 and C of 0, 4 and joining OA, AB, BC and CO, which of the following figure is obtained? Option A square, option B rectangle, option C trapezium, option D is rhombus. So the correct option is option C trapezium. Question number 4. If P of minus 1, 1, Q of 3, minus 4, R of 1, minus 1, S of minus 2, minus 3 and T of minus 4, 4 are plotted on a graph paper, then the points in the fourth quadrant are dash. Option A P and T, option B Q and R, option C only S, option D is P and Q. So you can see the fourth quadrant, in a fourth quadrant Q is x-axis is positive and y-axis is negative. Similarly for R also x-axis is positive and y-axis is negative. So in a fourth quadrant x is positive and y is negative. So the point Q and R lies in the fourth quadrant. So question number 5. The point whose ordinate is 4 and which lies on the y-axis is dash. Option A 4, 0, option B 0, 4, option C 1, 4, option D is 4, 2. So here the ordinate is given 4, so which lies on the y-axis. So if the point lies on the y-axis means that is x is equal to 0. So the correct option is option B 0, 4. Question number 6. The distance between the 2 points 2, 3 and 1, 4 is dash. Option A 2, option B is root 56, option C root 10 and option D is root 2. We know the distance formula D is equal to root of x2 minus x1 the whole square. We know the formula is x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. So substitute the values in the formula. This is your x1, y1, x2, y2. So 1 minus 2 the whole square plus 4 minus 3 the whole square, which is equal to root of minus 1 the whole square plus 4 minus 3 is 1 square, which is equal to root of 1 plus 1 is equal to root 2. So the correct option is option D, root 2. Question number 7 in exercise 5.6. If the points A of 2, 0, B of minus 6, 0, C of 3, A minus 3 lies on the x-axis, then the value of A is dash. Option A 0, option B 2, option C is 3 and option D is minus 6. So they clearly given the points. The 3 points lies on the x-axis, that is A minus 3 is equal to 0. So the value of A is equal to 3. So the correct option is option C 3. Question number 8. if x plus 2 comma 4 which is equal to 5 comma y minus 2, then the coordinates x comma y are dash. Option A 7 comma 12, option B 6 comma 3, option C 3 comma 6 and option D is 2 comma 1. So solution, here the given the coordinate is x plus 2 comma 4 which is equal to 5 comma y minus 2. So we just directly equate the x and y coordinates. So x plus 2 is equal to 5. X plus 2 is equal to 5. So x is equal to 5 minus 2. The value of x is 3. Similarly, y minus 2 is equal to 4. So y is equal to 4 plus 2. The value of y is equal to 6. Therefore, the coordinate of x comma y is 3 comma 6. So the correct option is option C, 3 comma 6. Question number 9. If Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4 are the quadrants in a Cartesian plane, then Q2 intersection Q3 is dash. Option A Q1 union Q2, option B Q2 union Q3, option C null set, option D is negative x-axis. So there are 4 planes, that is Q1, 4 quadrants Q1, Q2, Q3 and Q4 are lies in the Cartesian plane. Therefore, Q2 intersection Q3 is always a null set. Question number 10. The distance between the point 5 comma minus 1 and the origin. Origin is nothing but 0 comma 0 is dash. Option A is root 24. Option B root 37. Option C is root 26 and option D is root 17. So solution, D is equal to the distance formula we know, root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. So here the first point is 5 comma minus 1 and the second point, that is origin, is 0 comma 0. So substitute the values in the formula, you get root of 5 minus 0 the whole square plus minus 1 minus 0 the whole square, which is equal to root of 5 square plus minus 1 the whole square is equal to root of 25 plus 1. So the distance D is equal to root 26. So the correct option is option C, root 26. Question number 11. The coordinates of the point C dividing the line segment joining the points P of 2 comma 4 and Q of 5 comma 7 internally in the ratio 2:1 is dash. Option A 7 by 2 comma 11 by 2, option B 3 comma 5, option C 4 comma 4 and option D is 4 comma 6. So solution, a line divides internally in the ratio m is to n, that is the value of m is equal to 2 and n is equal to 1, x1 is 2, x2 is 5, y1 is 4 and y2 is 7. We know the formula, that is section formula, P is equal to mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, comma my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n, which is equal to, substitute those values in the formula, you get 5 2s are 10, that is m value is 2 into 5, 5 2s are 10 plus 1 into 2 is 2 divided by 3, comma m value is 2 into y2 value is 7. So 7 2s are 14. So 14 plus n value is 1 into 4. So 14 plus 4 divided by 2 plus 1 is 3, which is equal to 10 plus 2 is 12 by 3, comma 14 plus 4 is 18 by 3. After simplification, you get the value is 4 comma 6. Correct option is option D, 4 comma 6. Problem number 12. If P of A by 3 comma B by 2 is the midpoint of the line segment joining A of minus 4 comma 3 and B of minus 2 comma 4, then A comma B is dash. Option A minus 9 comma 7, option B minus 3 comma 7 by 2, option C is 9 comma minus 7, option D is 3 comma minus 7 by 2. So solution, we know the midpoint formula, x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. That is given in the question. A by 3 comma B by 2 is equal to, we just substitute the points. That is A is 4 minus 4 comma 3 and B is minus 2 comma 4. So minus 4 minus 2 divided by 2 comma 3 plus 4 by 2. a by 3 comma b by 2 is equal to minus 4 minus 2 is minus 6 divided by 2 comma 3 plus 4 is 7 by 2. That is a by 3 comma b by 2 is equal to 6 by 2 is minus 3 comma 7 by 2. The next step is you have to equate the x and y coordinate. A by 3 is equal to minus 3. Then cross multiplication, the value of a is equal to minus 9. B by 2 is equal to 7 by 2. The value of b is equal to 7 because 2 gets cancelled. So the correct option is option A minus 9 comma 7.